Okay, so hello guys. Why do I have X? Wait, why do I have X? Okay, so we are going to be doing a slime review. I'm gonna go get all my freaking ugly slimes. Alright, there's a trash slime. Yo. Man, I really take up people's time. I'm cringy. So cringy. Alright, so this is my first slime. I know you guys already seen it, but there's something different about it. This one is actually a butter slime now. Yes, it smells so good. And so, yes, I think I already did a slime review once, but I don't know what to do, so I'm just gonna do a slime review because I really don't have any more ideas. Plus, I'm gonna give a quick shout out to Baldi Likes Albert. I think that's their name because I think that I made them sad on accident. Now, I wasn't saying that your art was bad. I just want you to improve because, hey, Circle 2 actually does not help you improve. Not being mean. Your art is actually way better than mine's. I mean, I'll prove it to you. I'll show you my art. It sucks. Okay, I got it. Now this is a piece of art that was never finished, but you see this is crap. And like, compare your art to mine's, like, wow, your art is actually way better. But like, I want to see your art get better because I'm actually pretty impressed on what your art is right now. Because Circle 2 actually won't help you improve and stuff. Oh no, I thought I got slime on the paper. Yes, this is Undertale, of course. And here's another drawing that I never finished. This one was just a sketch. And yes, that is Sans the Skeleton. Okay, let's get back to the slime. Baldi Likes Albert, your art is wonderful. Alright. So I guess we can just do some ASMR because there's nothing special about this. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to poke because it's so thick. Okay, so there's number one, ugly, cringy, stupid slime. Alright, here's number two, ugly, cringy, stupid slime. Alright, so my sister messed this slime up because she left the top off. So it's hard and somehow sticky. And yes, this used to be such a pretty slime until my sister came in and messed it up. I'm not going to do ASMR with that one because there's really no ASMR in that one. No, I'm going to save this slime for last. Alright, so here is probably one of my favorite slimes. No, this is not store-bought. I ran out of containers, so I had to put it in this container. As you can tell, what kind of store-bought slime sells this. Ow! It's so hard to open. There we go. So yeah, it's a red, glossy, clear slime. This is my favorite slime. Ooh, look at all that beautiful glitter. This is such a good slime. It's so beautiful when you stretch it, like with all the little glitter. I'm trying not to get as much air bubbles in it. Oh yeah, here's a little horse charm. So yeah, that's my red, ugly slime. Oh my gosh, my slime just farted! Here we go. This container is such a pain in the butt. Alright, so here's my fourth or fifth ugly slime. I don't know how to count. Okay, so this one is not store-bought either, of course. I had to get another container for this. So yeah. Oh. Whoa. So this is my yellow slime. It looks kind of green. I don't know why. So this has charms on the bottom. I tried to make this into a crunchy slime, but it didn't work. So, yeah. So yeah, that's that. Another slime part. Alright, let me put the container back on this one real quick, because I don't want this crap, ugly slime to dry out. Okay, yeah, I hate these containers on these things. They're so weird. Alright. Last but not least, slime. Whoops. Okay. So, you guys try to guess what color is on the bottom. I'm going to give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Alright, your time is up. It's pink! So, yes. It's so beautiful. Alright, so let's just look at that. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Alright, now try to guess what color it's going to turn into when I mix this in. In 3, 2, 1, I'll tell you at the end of the video. And if you get the color right, comment down below and I'll give you a shout out in the next video. Look at how beautiful this world is. It's not really changing into a color that much. My guess is actually purple. Like a really dark purple. Because, oh yeah, my sister messed this slime up because it used to be such a beautiful blue and then she put too much food coloring in it. My sister needs to stay out of my slime. I don't really see this changing. This is actually super stretchy. Hey guys! Okay, so this is the color. It didn't really change that much. I guess I can see a little bit of purple. You probably can't see it on camera because, yeah. So if you guessed really dark blue, then you're right. A lot of people probably guessed purple.
Brooklyn, you gotta get dressed if you want to go to math.
In a minute, Mama, I'm sorry to bother you, but I'm trying to record a video. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. That was my mom walking in the room. I love you, Mom.
I love you. Here's some clothes to put on.
Okay. Thanks, Mom.
We'll put that on soon.
Okay. After I get finished with this video, I will. Sorry, guys. My mom. So, yeah, that is my cringy, ugly slime craft. And I hope you had a good day. You probably didn't, because this probably ruined your day. Bye.